I am very happy today. I am very happy today. I feel sad sometimes. I feel sad sometimes. I am so excited about this. I am so excited about this. I am really tired. I am really tired. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. I am a little nervous. I am a little nervous. I feel confident today. I feel confident today. I am angry with him. I am angry with him. I feel grateful for everything. I feel grateful for everything. I am scared of the dark. I am scared of the dark. I feel lonely sometimes. I feel lonely sometimes. I am very proud of you. I am very proud of you. I feel disappointed. I feel disappointed. I am surprised to see you here. I am surprised to see you here. I feel stressed these days. I feel stressed these days. I am worried about my future. I am worried about my future. I feel peaceful today. I feel peaceful today. I am very thankful to you. I am very thankful to you. I feel shy in public. I feel shy in public. I am hopeful for tomorrow. I am hopeful for tomorrow. I feel relaxed after a walk. I feel relaxed after a walk. I am bored right now. I am bored right now. I feel embarrassed. I feel embarrassed. I am confident in my skills. I am confident in my skills. I feel motivated today. I feel motivated today. I am jealous of her success. I am jealous of her success. I feel heartbroken. I feel heartbroken. I am proud of my work. I am proud of my work. I feel calm and quiet. I feel calm and quiet. I am shocked by the news. I am shocked by the news. I feel anxious before exams. I feel anxious before exams. I am happy to help you. I am happy to help you. I feel positive today. I feel positive today. I am afraid of heights. I am afraid of heights. I feel loved and cared for. I feel loved and cared for. I am confused right now. I am confused right now. I feel energetic in the morning. I feel energetic in the morning. I am grateful for my friends. I am grateful for my friends. I feel inspired by nature. I feel inspired by nature. I am sad about the result. I am sad about the result. I feel happy to see you smile. I feel happy to see you smile. I am angry because it's unfair. I am angry because it's unfair. I feel peaceful at home. I feel peaceful at home. I am excited for the weekend. I am excited for the weekend. I feel nervous before speaking. I feel nervous before speaking. I am calm now. I am calm now. I feel proud of my parents. I feel proud of my parents. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. I feel sorry for her. I feel sorry for her. I am thankful for this day. I am thankful for this day. I feel scared during storms. I feel scared during storms. I am emotional right now. I am emotional right now. I feel lonely at night. I feel lonely at night. I am joyful this morning. I am joyful this morning. I feel hopeful about my dreams. I feel hopeful about my dreams. I am angry but trying to calm down. I am angry but trying to calm down. I feel disappointed in myself. I feel disappointed in myself. I am so proud of my progress. I am so proud of my progress. I feel excited about the trip. I feel excited about the trip. I am relaxed after meditation. I am relaxed after meditation. I feel shy when I speak English. I feel shy when I speak English. I am proud of what I've done. I am proud of what I've done. I feel anxious when I wait. I feel anxious when I wait. I am calm and patient. I am calm and patient. I feel positive about my future. I feel positive about my future. I am angry about the mistake. I am angry about the mistake. I feel happy when I learn something new. I feel happy when I learn something new. I am confident in my English. I am confident in my English. I feel nervous before interviews. I feel nervous before interviews. I am peaceful inside. I am peaceful inside. I feel happy to meet new people. I feel happy to meet new people. I am proud of my hard work. I am proud of my hard work. I feel sad when I fail. I feel sad when I fail. I am thankful for my teacher. I am thankful for my teacher. I feel relaxed on weekends. I feel relaxed on weekends. I am scared of losing. I am scared of losing. I feel positive every morning. I feel positive every morning. I am happy for your success. I am happy for your success. I feel inspired by your story. I feel inspired by your story. I am calm even under pressure. I am calm even under pressure. I feel shy in new situations. I feel shy in new situations. I am excited for my birthday. I am excited for my birthday. I feel peaceful in nature. I feel peaceful in nature. I am proud of my little brother. I am proud of my little brother. I feel nervous on stage. I feel nervous on stage. I am thankful for good health. I am thankful for good health. I feel tired but happy. I feel tired but happy. I am sad about saying goodbye. I am sad about saying goodbye. I feel confident after practice. I feel confident after practice. I am excited to learn English. I am excited to learn English. I feel scared before exams. I feel scared before exams. I am peaceful when I read books. I am peaceful when I read books. I feel happy to help others. I feel happy to help others. I am proud of my country. I am proud of my country. I feel nervous before travel. I feel nervous before travel. I am calm while listening to music. I am calm while listening to music. I feel joyful in the morning. I feel joyful in the morning. I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for my family. I feel sad when it rains. I feel sad when it rains. I am excited to start a new day. I am excited to start a new day. I feel proud of my growth. I feel proud of my growth. I am happy to teach others. I am happy to teach others. I feel relaxed after yoga. I feel relaxed after yoga. I am calm and focused. I am calm and focused. I feel scared of failure. I feel scared of failure. I am happy when I learn new words. I am happy when I learn new words. I feel peaceful at night. I feel peaceful at night. I am excited to visit new places. I am excited to visit new places. I feel inspired every day. I feel inspired every day. I am confident in my decisions. I am confident in my decisions. I feel positive after exercise. I feel positive after exercise. I am thankful for this opportunity. I am thankful for this opportunity. I feel happy to meet my friends. I feel happy to meet my friends. I am proud of my achievements. I am proud of my achievements. I feel nervous before interviews. I feel nervous before interviews. I am excited to go out. I am excited to go out. I feel relaxed in quiet places. I feel relaxed in quiet places. I am sad when plans fail. I am sad when plans fail. I feel joyful when it rains. I feel joyful when it rains. I am happy when I listen to music. I am happy when I listen to music.